Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do another Blender video. If you see this, it's different. It's because when I was recording something, my computer crashed. So yeah, I can't tell you what I did. Well, I can. I'll tell you what I did. So just undo what I did. Undo all of it. Not undo all of it. Oh. Okay. Okay. So now we need to. Okay, so we need to press this, Shift D to duplicate, press here, vector inside inside the object place, and then this is what you gotta do. The height goes in vector. Yes. Then, wait, no. And then Shift A, color mix RBG, art, whatever it's called, and Control Shift left click on this, and then you don't want the So by default, the color should be inside color 1, but put the factor in color 1. And then put this in color 1. Oh wait, put this in color, yeah. Do that. And then, oh my gosh. And turn this into 200. Turn that to 200 and turn this mix to add, and then turn this to full, and you should be good. Yeah, get it. And then you have to, after you do that, you should, your donut should be gray, it doesn't matter. And then if we go up here, Control Shift left click on this, takes a moment, it will go back, it will look normal. And then if we Control Shift left click on this, wait, no, sorry, I got mixed up by the note. And then if we go, then you should see like if you see if you look at your donut, it will like, it will look spiky. It won't look that spiky, but it will look spiky. So then what you gotta do is move this. I gotta move everything away. It's too messy. This. Good. Okay, I'm just ordering this stuff. Put this a bit back, like this one, like here, and then Shift A, color, overlay. When I need overlay. You have to find overlay. Victor. Overlay, no. Wait. I'm sure there is an overlay. Oh yeah, are you sure? Over. Oh my gosh, I just forgot something. Oh my gosh. How do you get out of it? Shift A. Color. Oh my gosh. Color. No, help. No. Shift A. Color. Come on, get the right one. Shift A, this gotta be the right one. IBG curves. No. No. That means there's one left. RGB curves. Yes. Now. Oh, I've selected a donut. If you haven't, that'll be a giant problem. Pull this down to this, like about here. You should see your donut is very, very red, which is actually kind of bad. Which kind of looks weird, I mean. Right. If we pull it this way, it'll become too wide. So about there. Put it about there. Oh, that's actually a good amount. And then move this here. Shift A. Guess it's Shift A. Color. Hue saturation. Then you got to put this hue to 530. 530. I think, yeah, 530. And put 0.5. Oh, now it should look good. 0.530000. Not that. Now your donut should look the right color. Wee wee, wow, wee wee, wow, wee wee. And if we go down to the distortion, we want to make this 1000. Yes, have 1000. Look good. Yeah. And put the I'm just saying the it's the top nose texture. And put the scale to 1000.000. I don't know what that number is. I just remember the number in my brain, but I don't know how to say it. So yeah, put it at that, and yeah, I think that's all you need to do. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. And also, change the subsurf color to about here. Put the subsurf color there, and then overlay. Wait, if I everything's getting messy again. So order your stuff. I'm gonna put this like this. Okay, Shift A, color. Checking something. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. So this whole time I had this. Oh, I thought I didn't have this. Let me bit. So, I get it. I thought I didn't have that. So put mix RBG. What do you got? Okay. Cool. Mix up. Put it there like that.
That is too.
Oh my. What was that? What was that? Okay. So, so what you want to do is put the this color. No, was add. Oh yeah, here. Okay, move this a bit here. Change this mix. Then you zoom in. Mix. Are you kidding me? Mix to overlay. I keep on saying overlay and it was right here. Okay. And put this color thingy. Color thing to factor. Fac. It's short for factor. Just if you're just wondering. If you're not, I don't care. And change this thing to orangey color maybe. Yeah, to that. No, not that. Oh, that's why. I didn't put it at like. I actually don't really know. Here? Yeah, that looks good. And yeah, I think that's all the last adjustments that we're gonna do. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Do subscribe. So, do it right now if you haven't. And press that like button, which will be good
My man's up.
for you. And, what's the other thing you have to do? Press that notification button so you can see the next Blender video that I'm uploading. That is gonna be there. So, what are you waiting for? Get to the next Blender video right now. Well, if you're watching it live, then you might not see the next Blender video, but in a week you'll see the next Blender video. Bye.